Hey, it's Rada. It's time for another workout. So this one's for the back. It's very gentle. The very last exercise will be laying down on our stomach. So that would be the only thing that if you're having any abdominal issues, that one might not be ideal. But I will also teach you how to do it sitting up. It's just not quite the same, but just in case you're experiencing some tummy aches today, I don't want that to be the reason you have to skip the whole workout routine. So like usual, there's a little tiny warm-up, 5 exercises, 10 reps of each, and then 2 stretches at the end. And let's get started. So the one thing you need today is a resistance band. And the one I grabbed isn't the best. It's a little, our backs tend to be pretty strong, so this one's a little bit light, but it's good. I'll show you how to adapt to that. So to get warmed up, we're just going to do some shoulder circles. So just start by rolling your shoulders backwards. Lift them up towards your ears and down your back. You might hear some little crunchies and gristly sounds. Just keep going. Do a couple more. And then take your hands to your shoulders. You'll do the same thing, but moving the elbows in big circles. So lift them up high, reach them back, try to squeeze your elbows together, and then drop them down and around. Same thing. Give that little bit of chest opening. The shoulders and arms moving, just getting that blood flow into the area we're about to work. Good, last one. Good. Alright, so grab your resistance band. I'm gonna start, I'll turn a little bit out of angle. You're holding the band straight in front of you at shoulder level and pulling the band as wide apart as you can. So you're gonna have to experiment with how wide you need to hold your hands. The closer together they are, the harder it's going to be. So you want to find the distance that you can actually bring your arms out wide so that you can really feel your back muscles squeeze. So let's start 10 from here. Right. Squeeze back. Inhale on the way forward. Exhale on your way back. Good. Again. Exhale, inhale, 3, 4, you should start to feel the blood flowing, 5, 6, just make sure you're sitting up nice and tall, 7, 3 more, ooh, 8, I feel the burn. 9, and last one. Good. Alright, we're going to do those shoulder circles in between each exercise, I think. So straighten out your legs, and you're going to wrap the band around the bottom of your feet. So I'm wearing sneakers today because I find when I'm barefoot, the resistance band both doesn't feel good on the bottom of my feet and it slips off. So we might have to put sneakers on. So same thing here, the longer down you hold on the band, the easier it will become. The first exercise we're going to do is a wide row. So bringing your elbows out wide at shoulder level. So from the front angle, like this. Good. So you're going to do 10. So just find where you need to grip on your band. It might not be the handles, it might be lower down. And pull. So as you pull your elbows back, try to squeeze your elbows. Imagine you could touch them together behind you, and that's going to naturally squeeze the back muscles. So the same breathing, you're inhaling when you straighten your arms and exhaling as you pull back. I think that's 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we're going to repeat that, but we're bringing our elbows in next to us, so right by the rib cage. So this tends to be an easier version. So you just want to slide your hands down a little bit lower. Sit up tall, just roll the shoulders back, and now just pull your elbows straight back. Really try to get them as far behind you as you can. You want to feel the back muscles just naturally engage. Good. Make sure you're sitting up tall, your core is engaged too, so try to pull the belly button back towards your spine. I hope that's 5. I'm really not good at counting these days. 6, 7, 8, 9, last one, 10. So we'll take the band off of the feet and sit however is comfortable for you. We're going to be doing a lat pull down with the band. So same thing, the wider you hold, the easier it will be. Straighten your arms, try to relax your shoulders, and then just pull the band apart and bring your elbows down. So this one, you're inhaling at the top, and let's inhale to prepare, and exhale as you pull down. Good. Inhale on the way up, exhale on the way down. Good. We got 8 more to go. Keep breathing. Keep trying to make sure your spine's stacked nice and tall. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good, relax. So we're already at the last exercise. This routine goes pretty quick, so you might be able to do like a couple sets of it if you're feeling good. If you can't lay down on your stomach and need to do this seated, it's not quite the same, but we'll give it our best attempt. So you want to kind of sit, lean forward, bring your arms out to shoulder level, point your thumbs straight ahead, and you're just reaching back and squeezing. So it doesn't really matter how far you hinge, it's just the further you get your chest down, the more the back muscles are going to engage. When you're upright, the shoulders get involved a little bit, so try to lean as much as you can, and leg position totally doesn't matter. So if your hamstrings are too tight to lean forward, put your legs a little wider apart or sit cross-legged, and then you're just going to squeeze like that, and then thumbs up, same thing, squeeze back, and thumbs down, squeeze back. So we're going to get started on our stomach though, so let's go. So on the floor, you're going to be on your belly, you're lifting your chest up, reaching your arms wide out. Thumbs are pointing straight ahead, and you're just squeezing your shoulder blades together and coming back to shoulder level. So lift as high as you can, squeeze, and come back down. So my chest isn't going up and down, my chest is just staying at one level point. So we're going to do 6 more of these. Keep going. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn the thumbs up. 10 more. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Turn the thumbs down. If you need to rest for a second, rest. And lift back up, thumbs down. Last 10. Squeeze. 9, 8. Try to lift straight up to the ceiling. Make sure you're not coming back, you're going up. 6, 5, 4, pushing your heart backwards as far as you can. And then come forward again. Push back. As you come forward, try to push your heart forward a little, get that small little back bend. Round back down. Tuck your chin to your chest. And then sit back up, push your heart forward and look up. Just sit comfortably, just a neck stretch. Sometimes all that back work helps build up tension in the traps. They tend to take over. So just take one hand down and bring your opposite ear to the shoulder. From here, start to turn your chin slightly down towards your collarbone. Come back to neutral and start to turn your chin up towards the ceiling. Back, down, and come back to center. Let's just do the other side. Reach your hand out. Bring the opposite ear to the shoulder. Settle into that stretch. Take a nice deep breath in. Slowly let it all out. Bring your chin down towards your collarbone. Back to center and up towards the ceiling. Good. Back to center. Good. If you want, just roll your neck gently side to side. And that's it. Workout complete. So that was a quickie today. So hopefully that's one you can pull out of your pocket whenever you need it and make you feel like you've accomplished something today. And it's really good to help have your posture stay upright naturally. The stronger your back gets, it just holds your muscles. Your muscles hold your bone in place, so you're not trying to sit up really tall and squeeze all those muscles. It's just like, no, you just naturally have good posture. So this is a good routine to do. And let me know if you have any questions. Hit subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And I hope you find that little moment of happiness today that brings you joy and makes life worth living.